Hello. If you're watching this intro, you are probably preparing for IELTS exam. Let's be honest, doing a report for writing task 1 IELTS Academic is not the most enjoyable activity out there. My students often feel confused and intimidated when they start dealing with it. But let me tell you about this course. So there are 6 lessons, and each is based on 1 or 2 visuals that are very common in writing task 1 IELTS Academic. In each lesson, we will focus on useful skills that will definitely help you in writing your report. And what is more, in each video, the graph will be related to one of the most common topics in IELTS. We'll talk about energy types, demographic rates, production, consumption, imports, and other popular for IELTS topics. They do seem difficult, but after watching this course, you will get more familiar with them and will feel more confident. In every lesson, I will be walking you through reports and will give you lots of tips, paraphrasing options, ways how to use grammar, how to structure your writing. This course is filled with useful information. So dive in and improve your skills.